what you gotta say, but don't play. Say what you gotta say, but don't play. Say what you gotta say, but don't play.
What is up, you guys? Good morning. I'm up. I'm tired. I gotta go to work. I'm gonna walk this dog. Put me on the reading. Clean up. Get in the shower and just be in my own zone. I don't know. I'm not really feeling good. But I woke up prayerful. I woke up blessed and highly favored. I woke up in love with my life and in love with God. So, yeah, I'm gonna get my butt up. I'll turn this heat off because I am burning up here. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna get my butt up. Alright, y'all, so a little bit. I did not end up finishing the vlog yesterday. Yo, it's cold as fuck. I don't know why the fuck I took these shits off. It's cold as fuck. I'm cold. I wish I could turn the heat up, but the heat too cold. It is cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's so cold, y'all. It is so cold, y'all. But yeah, I'm finna get my life together. I'm gonna go ahead to work, like always. I didn't end up finishing the vlog yesterday. Cause to be honest, I really just don't want to vlog at my job. I don't want to vlog at work. Yeah. And then I begin discouraged because it's like, dang, they just see me all the time. Like, they probably get tired of watching a vlog and it's literally like just me. But I don't know. I don't want to feel like that, but I do feel like that. So it's not like I can lie to myself and act like I don't feel like that. All I can do is try to train myself not to think like that, because I got it bad. Like, I just feel like I just be worried about the wrong fucking shit. Like, I don't know. Shit that's not bringing in anything, only taking away. Like, the shit that I worry about just stresses me out instead of motivating me. So yeah, it's up to me. I just gotta change the way I think. I should have cleaned that back window off a little bit more. I'm gonna have to do that once I get out the car. Snow just makes people drive irritating, and I'm one of those people. I don't like the snow. Like, I will drive slow, baby. Even if it ain't really that much snow on the ground, I'm gonna drive slow. Like, I'm going to be safe you know, because in Milwaukee, I just feel like you gotta drive for everybody. You can't just drive for yourself. That's what anywhere. You really do gotta make sure that people on their P's and Q's, and if people are not, you make sure that you are doubly on yours, okay? But yeah, y'all, I'm headed to work. We about to get to it. I'm about to have me a good ass day because it is Sunday. It is my last day of the work week. It's the start of a new week. We are going to be positive. We are going to manifest our dreams into our reality. Not only are we going to manifest, but we are going to bring our blessings and our prayers into fruition, okay? The things that God has already ordained for us, we finna see him next week. We finna see him this week, okay? We are finna see him this week. If you have made it this far in the video, claim it, okay? Speak that over your life. I am getting a blessing this week. I am getting a blessing this week. I am getting good news this week. Like, it's happening. So I really, really, really hope y'all ready. It's a rapture coming. Repent on that thing. Like, it's a blessing coming. It's some good shit coming. I know that's not what that means, but it's just like, yeah, like if you did your due diligence, if you was here, if you supported God, if you was obedient to God, if you've been walking with God and doing whatever God has been asking you to do or leading you to do, it's finna be your season in 2024. And it's always your year. You always have a new year to make some better things happen. And I know we say it all the time, like, no, 2023, this my year. 2024, this my year. So what? Every year gonna be your year. You have the right to say that. You have the right to come up with New Year's resolutions every year if you decide that that's something that you want to do. You know, like, there's nothing wrong with setting goals, whether you accomplish them or not. There's nothing wrong with just having ambition. You know, I'm hearing ambitious girl, Wale. You know, not this a channeling real quick. But yeah, I want better for myself. I want better for the people that I love. And I just feel like 2024 is time. I'm so tired of being broke. I'm so tired of worrying. I'm so tired of being sad. I'm so tired of death around me. I'm just tired. Okay, I'm fucking tired. And that's what it takes. It takes being tired. It takes being willing to get uncomfortable to really shake some shit up. And baby, it shooketh, okay? But yeah, I'll see y'all. Probably not when I get to work. I'll probably see y'all once I'm back home from work and me and Kamaya are doing our nighttime routine. So it'll be a couple hours, but I'll see y'all in a minute. My car got towed. I came out from work and it was gone. I'm just so mad at myself. Like, I'm so mad at myself for how I handle situations. I'm mad at myself for giving my body to niggas who won't come if I call them. I'm mad at myself for where the fuck I parked, because something told me earlier, like, crazy. I saw a towing thing today, and I was like, I should take a picture of that just in case I ever need them. The fuck, like, I'm just mad at myself. I'm so tired. I'm tired of being tired. I'm tired of making fucked up decisions. I'm tired. And I learned from my mistakes, but it's like, damn, I'm so fucking tired. I was irritated with Mama. Whole time she done came to pick me up. Her foot hurt. She didn't have to do that shit, but she did it. And it was just like, damn, like, I'm mad at her. Because I felt like shit. She was taking too long. Dumb shit just because I'm mad. And it's just like, damn, like, my car at the towing company probably, like, I'm gonna get the motherfucker back tomorrow, but it's so much shit that I can't tell y'all that's happening in my life that's just like, fuck. Like, I'm stressed out. I'm stressed out. The holidays coming up. Work been hella slow. What's some other shit that I can actually talk to y'all about? Shit, everything else is kind of like personal type shit. Like, man, I'm just so mad at myself.
I'm mad at myself for not being celibate no more. Like, I was celibate for 4 months. Nigga came around and fucked my shit up. He didn't fuck it up. I fucked it up. I got that so bad. Blaming everybody else for my fuck ups. I'm so tired of that shit. It's on me. Like, nobody told me to give my pussy to a nigga that wasn't doing shit for me. Nobody told me that shit. Like, nobody told me that shit. Like, I didn't have nobody to call tonight other than my mama. And my mama was already in pain. And I just felt so shitty. Like, I don't got no friend I could call. I don't have a best friend to sit up and talk to on the phone while I go through all my shit that I be going through. Like, I wanted to just call somebody and sit up and talk on the phone while I waited on my mama and just vent to them. And I didn't even have to go down my call log to just know, like, bro, don't nobody love me like that. Don't nobody love me to where even if they are asleep or busy or got some shit going on, if Caprice calling back to back, they gonna answer that phone. I don't know not one friend who I don't feel like I could just be myself around. Like, bitch, I could call you. Like, and I know I could just call you. Like, you gonna answer the phone, you gonna let me talk your ear off. You're not gonna feel no type of way. With all my friends, I feel like, bitch, I'll be too sad. I always want to talk about sad shit. I always want to talk about me not having no money, or how I'm stressed out, or how I need more hours, or how I gotta do this, how this irritated me, how I'm sad this person died, sad that. Fuck. I'm trying to just turn my life around though. Like, normally when I'm irritated like this, I feel like, damn, I don't want to eat. I'm annoyed. I want to just go to sleep. I want to smoke a blunt and go to sleep. But you know what? Because I'm deciding to change. I know I looked ugly as a bitch. But because I'm deciding to change, it's just like, fuck it. Tomorrow gonna be a better day. My baby get on the bus, so she gonna have a way to school. I got the title. I can check if the towing place got my car and shit. Like, I just want to stop being so fucking stressed. I'm not finna stress out. I'm not finna not enjoy my night tonight. Like, I've been looking for the devil. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I was gonna go wake my baby up, you know, but I'm gonna wait. I really need to call my maintenance people and have them fix all my freaking light bulbs because yeah, I'm gonna call them and have them do that because I got a fucking lamp in my kitchen. Like, what? My neighbors are down there thumping, like pissed off at each other, fighting. It's early, it's 7 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, girl, I forgot y'all was on this thing on camera. I wonder if y'all could hear the shit I was thinking about. Freaky ass girl. Goodbye. I'm finna make Boo Boo this some plant-based butter. I'm finna make Boo Boo a grilled cheese. I really don't want to give her cheese, but I really gotta get out of the habit of assuming that Kamaya is just like me, because I don't like cold food. Like, I really don't like cold food unless it's like a sub. Other than that, I don't like cold food. My stomach is hurting. I just got done ovulating. Y'all, is it just me, or is it the older I get, the worse my cycles get? Like, I feel like I'm always going through something. Like, I'm hurting while I'm on my period. I'm hurting during PMS. And I'm hurting during ovulation. I only get a 1 week worth of no fucking pain. I did not wash my hands. I'm feeling nauseous this morning. Maybe I'll make me some tea. I got a lot to do today. I went to sleep early last night, about like, I want to say like 12 o'clock, like on a dot. I don't know why I feel fucking nauseous. But, my mom getting all wet and shit. I'm nauseous, y'all. I gotta go. I'll be back. Alright, so for me, today is gonna be a day of cleaning. I'm gonna do like time lapses. I'm gonna let y'all see me clean. We're gonna chill, we're gonna kick it. Kamaya got copyright music on in the background, so I'm just gonna let y'all watch me, but yeah, I'm finna start this laundry stuff, so. I'm so excited to wash. Like, I miss my clothes. Like, y'all ever feel like that? Like, I miss my favorite chunky sweaters that I wear for like a week at a time that are not musty. But yeah, like, I love when I do laundry and I just remember all the clothes that I love. Like, it'd be like I done forgot about them. And then I get to see them again. I'll be so happy. She licking herself. I sent it to her like, go to your page, cause the fuck. But yeah, y'all. So I got some news for y'all. Y'all, I ended up getting fired from my job. Yeah, it was kind of like a mutual agreement. It was kind of like a mutual agreement, but that's the personal thing that I had kept wanting to talk to y'all about. I was wanting to quit, but like, I don't know who watched my social media, so it was like, I didn't want to say too much, and yeah. And I was so nervous about quitting, y'all. I really did not want to quit. I kept asking God, like, help me, because I don't want to be unloyal to her. She didn't help me get this car. You know, she didn't help me with so much. And then Sunday night, my car got stolen, y'all. It didn't get towed, it got stolen. And yeah, so that happened. And then the very next day, she texted me like, hey, you can't come back into work. And at that point, I just knew like something was fishy, something was off. But, you know, I'm just going to leave everything in God's hands. And I'm super excited just about hopping in my entrepreneur bag. I had already been saying for like a month that I wanted to quit. And I kept sleeping on myself. I wasn't going live. I wasn't recording. Like, I wasn't doing what I'm supposed to be doing because I be feeling embarrassed about my house. I be feeling like I'm not going to get no views. The views that I do get, I'm always appreciative. Like, even if I just get like 30 views on a video, I'm still appreciative. My thing just be like, I be feeling like I wouldn't want to view it. Like, I like what I'm talking about. Like, I can listen to me and put me on the TV, but I be feeling like, I don't know how to do like good editing skills, or I don't know how to like make it aesthetically pleasing. My camera is old, my phone is old. I don't get dressed every day. I don't do my makeup. I never really look like shit. And all the natural shit is cool. It's just because I'm an influencer, I be feeling like I need to make my edits like hella something. I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. I want to stop judging myself based on everybody else and what everybody else doing. So I'll be needing to take a break from YouTube videos, but then that's also where I find my inspiration. Like, how are people editing? What non-copyrighted music are they using? You know, like what challenges or what kind of food are people eating? Like, what are people talking about right now? You know, like that kind of shit be mattering to me, but then I be getting in my head about what the fuck I need to do. And then it just be what it be. And I don't want it to be that, so I'm just trying to get better. That's it. I don't know. It's the only way I can explain it. Just try to make it alright. Hey, shawty, in a dream. Are you gonna ride with me? Ride with me. Alright, y'all. I'm here at Walmart. I need some more detergent. Oh God, this is God. Yeah, I gotta get some laundry detergent, some napkins, some dish soap. And whatever else I see. But I got my mom outside waiting for me, so I'm gonna try to go really, really, really fast. Excuse me. Because I hate having people wait on me. Because I hate waiting on people. So we're gonna go real fast around this motherfucker. This is why I like the dollar store. I could just get napkins and shit like that for like $1. I needed garbage bags. All this shit is expensive. I got a job now, so it's just like, bitch, what the fuck going on around this motherfucker? What the fuck going on around me, motherfucker? Laundry and office, kitchen. Fuck, I don't want to spend $5 on our fucking garbage bags. Decomposable, small. Oh, God. I'm so over being broke. I swear. Okay. 13 gallon. 10 gallon. I'm just gonna get the 13 gallon. No, a 10 gallon. Then you gotta take out your garbage. Some more. I got that. Let's get some napkins. You know what? tissue at the house. I'm gonna get some napkins. Oh, I need laundry detergent. Excuse me, right behind you. Okay, y'all, so I just walked into this black-owned grocery store, and it is so cute. It's a whole ass grocery store, and it's black-owned. I love it here. And I'm probably gonna give me some lunch, see what they got, walk around to my clothes dry, and then Vitality. Sea moss, lemon, ginger, peppermint, agave, and strawberries. Ooh, I know this good. I want this. I'm gonna get this. Buddha love. Nah, I think a lot of this is from like black-owned businesses. Pound for pound cakes. I'm gonna show y'all. This is what I want. It can look good. I wonder what kind of sauce this is. Buddha burger, so it's like a burger sauce. They got Biscoff cheesecake jar from Delicious Bites. 12/1/2022. This kind of look good, though, I ain't gonna lie. I just want to support, so I might just get something just cause. Peach cobbler, I'm guessing, or a velvet cake, lemonade, lavender lemonade. Fit for You Milwaukee, which I'm pretty sure is black owned. Yeah, so. Oh, barbecue shrimp. I never seen that before. Hush Puppies, flaming hot chicken bready. I'm up here. We finna get some food.
You got cranberry sauce?
Alright, y'all, so I'm finna throw away my old flowers and wash this out. I'm probably gonna put it in main mess request. I'm gonna do that tonight. But yeah, these are my old flowers. Crusty, dusty, they stink. But yeah, so I'm gonna go put this up in the toilet, and then I'm gonna go warm me some water, clean this out. Because if I don't clean it out, because it's already so dirty, the new flowers that I put in here will just spoil. Because yeah, this stank real bad. So I'm gonna cure it.
Oh, what's next? Let's do the
Oh, it's frozen, so we can just stir it around.
I was gonna get a rosy. And I was gonna put it in the middle so it could stay warm. Spread over. Oh, one milk. One milk too.
You want some of this? Just like taco seasoning.
Wait, you made this or no? Because it looks like you made it in your own package. They even make it spicier for this? I smell you. Never.
Girl.
That's an girl. Very nice. This one. Those two over there. I wish I could just put one now. They almost melted. They get some over here. Maybe I'm gonna get some for there. Well, that's why I did like a chef. I tasted it and see if it tastes perfect.
You did?
Yeah.
I taste. Should I put a little bit more meat in there, or you think that's enough?
A little bit more. That looks too small. I think a little more. That kind of looks like meat biscuits or something.
Like what?
Is this like from a hamburger or something?
Well, it's fake meat, so it's not real meat. But you can kind of.
It's fake meat. That's right. You could just cut it. Oh my god. I'm gonna say what's here. That's enough. Smell it? Turn brown after that because it got cooked.
Is that what?
Cold. And then now it's gonna be. Oh, I just chopped it.
You gotta be careful. Don't put your fingers close by the silver part, okay? Good job.
What is that?
Some sauce, but it's stuck.
Those like hearts. It feels too hot.